Hey everyone. So recently we have released a functionality on TranZact that is as per the item level, as per the custom field, you can calculate the extra charge. So let's take an example. You have 10 items in your document. Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, such like that. Now on each and every item, the extra charges are different. It is not same. So how you can do that and how you can split them as per the item. So let me show you. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to create a custom field, calculated custom field on TranZact. Let me show you how. So first of all, let us go to settings module. Now, once you will come in settings module, please go to documents, then please go to custom field. Now, once I will come in custom field, go to item details and I will select the document. Suppose I will select invoice. Now, sales invoice I selected. Once I will come here, please check. Here is one of the custom field which I have already created. What I will do, I will create a new custom field. How? Add new field. Then after, I will, this will be for the domestic. Now coming here, it will be currency or multi-select. You can select as per your requirement. Remaining custom field are normal. These two are related to the calculative custom field. I will select the currency. Now I will select the calculative. So extra charges. I will mention the name. Now is it per unit value, percentage value, or total value? So for me, it will be per unit value. I save this custom field. Now I will go back to my sales and purchase. And here I will click on create document and create one invoice. I will quickly select one of the buyer. Now I will mention the test, go below, select the payment date. Now this is all I filled. I will select the item 1. Then I will select the item 2. Now, suppose there are two items, 10, 40. I mentioned it. Now, please come here. Please check. So let's take an example on item 1. The extra charge which I am paying, that is 1000 rupees. How I can do that? I will simply mention 1000 rupees and I will select this. So just a minute. I'm really sorry. Yeah. Now on second item, how much extra charge I am paying? That is change. I am paying 500. Selected here. Now please check. Can you see as per the item, the entire total extra charge came here. Do remember that you need to click on extra charge and then after it will get displayed. Now suppose I will just remove them. I will make it 2000. And then what I will do, I will click on calculator and please check accordingly, it get increased. So this is how you can put item level extra charge in the calculative custom field and then after you can bring it on document and can calculate that and show it. Same will get added to your inventory calculation as well, item valuation as well. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to manage your extra charges on item level. Have a good day ahead.